Okay, family, I'm back. It's been a minute since I made a tutorial, but what I've been actually doing is out in the field doing the work, making that income, doing the job itself. How I feel is like this: don't talk it unless you actually did it. A lot of people online are talking about making money from home, and they're actually just selling programs and trainings, and they're not actually doing the work. So instead of me being like those what you would call gurus, I actually went out, did the work, made the money so I could come back and report to you guys exactly how you can do it too. So in this video right here, I'm going to show you guys how to make a full-time income from home by just switching your brand of products and referring it to friends, and being able to add a little extra income on top of that through another reward system within the same platform. So let's get to it.
Hey, Chief. We got us one, bro.
Already.
This that motivation right here.
Yes, sir.
You know, the people need that motivation.
Tenfold.
Everybody going through something, you know what I mean?
All right, guys. So right now, what you're looking at, we're on the home page of a very special website, a website that I've used for over 2 years now. Now, I purchased the products and services, I use them myself, and I actually refer them to friends and family. And this is actually a company that's been around for over 30 years. So this isn't something that's new, a fly-by-night type of company, or a new opportunity that may be gone in the next couple of months or the next year. This is actually a company that's been around for over 35 years. So you may not have heard about this company, even though it's such a large company and a lot of people are a part of this, what we call a shopping group. Now, in this video, I'm not going to make it too long. I'm going to get straight to the point. If you're interested in being a part of this opportunity here to be able to make some extra income from home, a passive residual income just by switching your brand. So what that means is not going out, learning something new, something that you never had a real interest in, and actually, trying to convince other people to get involved in something like that, or trying to promote something that you have no idea about. This is simple stuff, everyday things that people use on a regular basis. So what I'm saying, once again, just to drill it in your head, this is none of that crazy stuff that you hear online. Do this to make money, do that, watching videos for 15 seconds, minute long, and supposed to make $1 to $3 and all that crazy stuff, and then come to find out that it's not really like that. This is something simple and easy that everybody can do. Like I said, simply changing your brand. What that means is, if you brush your teeth every day, instead of using Colgate, you're going to use this brand. If you wash your ass every day, instead of using Dove, you're going to use this brand. If you drink coffee or tea, instead of using Folgers every day, you're going to use this brand. So without further ado, let's jump into it. We're going to look at the computer. Now, this website that I'm on right here, very simple and easy. Once you get here, I'm going to have the link in the description so you can actually go directly to this site and see what it is that I'm able to do on a monthly basis. But real quick, what I want to show you is the power of how you can earn free money from this opportunity along with your monthly income. So I'm on the home page of this website, right? And I'm just going to scroll down real quick. And as you can see, as it loads, my internet is a little bit slow this morning, but you can see all the different products and everything that they offer on here. So it's something for everybody. Like I said, there's your soap, got your deodorant, got your tea, got your drink mixes. So this has stuff for not only just regular, humans, but they have pet products. So if you have dogs and cats and stuff like that, they got stuff for them also. But what I want to show you is, you scroll down here, it says right here, refer a friend. This is how you get that extra monthly income. All right, so when you click on this, it's going to load a page that says share what you love. So it says right here, introduce your friends and family to the Wellness Shopping Club. This is considered a shopping club where you actually get high quality products, natural products at a great price, and be able to share it with friends and family and make an extra income. So as it says here, after a short introduction video, they'll be able to set up their account and start shopping. They'll earn up to $100 in free products over the first 5 months, and you'll receive a thank you check every month they shop. So this right here isn't just a one-time thing. So if you refer somebody, you don't just get a one-time referral bonus. Every month that they order their products, like I said, the toothpaste, soap, deodorant, whatever it is that they want to purchase, you're actually going to get a referral fee. So with this program here, it can't get any simpler and easier than just switching your brands. I don't know if you have some type of attachment to, let's say, Dove or Dawn or Tide for your laundry, but unless they're paying you to stay with them, I don't understand why you would actually stay with them. It's not that they're far superior product or anything like that. So there's no reason really to stick with a brand, only except for name recognition. And that's one of the key things when it comes to being an entrepreneur and wanting to make money and having an open mindset that people have to get out of. You have to get out of the mentality of being stuck on brand recognition. Just because it's a well-known name or brand, that doesn't mean that they have the best products or services. So just remember that. All right, so with that, that's how you would actually share and refer so that you can get your bonuses. The people that you refer can actually get, as it says, up to $100 in free products over their first 5 months. Now, here's the additional way that you can make money with this product and service. So let me go back one page. I'm going to exit out of this one here. And as it says at the top, I'm already signed up, right? So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to refresh this page real quick. And as it loads up on the home screen, I want you to look at this right here at the top right. So it says loyalty shopping dollars. So as a preferred member, you get what they call loyalty shopping dollars. So this is just to kind of relate it to what you may have seen online, where you see people talk about watching videos to be able to get paid money, and they're talking about $1 here, $3 there. Those systems right there are, trash. If you ever tried those before, you'll find yourself spending hours and hours trying to make a buck. It's not really, I don't want to say it's not legit, but it's going to take you a whole lot more than what they're actually telling you to do to make that money. But with this being part of the same program, you actually earn what they call loyalty shopping dollars for learning about the products and services that they have, so that you could be better educated to share with people. So they're paying you basically to be able to increase your knowledge on the products and everything that they offer, so that you're better equipped to share with people and to explain exactly what they offer. So as you can see right here, your loyalty shopping dollars, $14.91. So if I click on this link right here, it'll let you know to activate $15.20, and over the lifetime, I've earned $391.74 in free shopping dollars by just watching videos. Now, I don't watch videos every month, which I could and be able to have earned more money than that, but this is just a little extra, icing on the cake. A lot of times I don't even visit my website on a regular, just to be honest. Most I ever do is come make my monthly purchase of the products that I need for myself and my family, and I keep it moving. But on occasion, I'll come here and I'll actually click on the learn more, or matter of fact, not learn more, but watch learn to earn videos to actually activate and get my free money that'll go towards being able to buy other products and services. So once we click on that, as it says right here, the video library, it tells you right here what you'll earn from watching different videos. So I'm not going to click on all of these videos, but for example, this is a 9-minute, 30-second long video educating you on the supplements This is a 4-minute, 30-second video educating you on what's called their Renew lotion. So as you can see how much you get for that. And this is legitimate money. So when you click on those videos and you watch them to the end, it'll let you know right away, this is how much money that you've earned, that you got towards your next purchase. So basically you can add that and use that to lower the cost of your monthly products. So that's 2 ways right there, I believe, 2 or 3 ways that I've showed you how you can actually make money by changing just your simple brand. Now there's another way when you actually refer your customers and you want to build a team of people. If they refer people to the shopping club, also you'll get a commission or a bonus for those people that they actually refer also. So with that, I'm not going to make this video too long. This is your boy, Better Yet Your Man, Markel Prines, home business coach and mentor, MrRVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still out here making money. Have a great rest of your day.
Yeah. Hey, Chief. We got us one wrong.
Already.
This that motivation right here.
Yes, sir.
You know, the people need that motivation.
10-4.
Everybody going through something, you know what I mean?
Already.
The system won't keep you down.
Oh, it's that motivation. Oh, keep your head up.